Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you about the specific gravity and water absorption test on fine aggregates. So let's begin. I explained you about this test in my earlier videos on coarse aggregates. In case of fine aggregates, first we take saturated surface dry fine aggregates. We weigh a particular amount of aggregate, say 500 grams, and after that we pour it into a pycnometer. We fill the pycnometer, we partially fill the pycnometer. We shake the pycnometer after closing the lid properly to remove the entrapped air, and after this is done, we fill the pycnometer fully to the top with the help of wash bottle, because it has a conical lid. And after this is done, we basically now weigh the whole assembly. We note down that weight in a chart, and after this is done, we remove all the elements of the pycnometer into an enamel tray. And after removing the elements, now we need to calculate the weight of fully filled water and the pycnometer. So now we fill the empty pycnometer with full distilled water, and after this is done, we weigh that assembly. Now after that, the enamel tray consists of the water also and the fine aggregates. Now we with the help of decantation, we remove the water and the aggregates are left in the enamel tray. Now the water is also contains some amount of very fine aggregates. Now after the water is collected, it has been filtered out with the help of filter paper. Whatever amount of aggregate which is collected in the filter paper is then being added to the enamel tray, and this is being placed into an oven for 24 hours at a degree of 100 degrees centigrade. And after this is done, now we weigh that oven dried sample. Now it comes to the part of calculation and formula using. So the specific gravity formula is same as the as I mentioned in the coarse aggregates one. Specific gravity is equals to surface dried aggregate upon C, or C minus A minus B. So basically C stands for the saturated surface dried aggregates, minus A stands for the whole assembly of aggregates, fine aggregates, pycnometer and the water, minus the pycnometer plus water. So this is being done, and after this is done, we calculate and we get some value like around 2.6 and 2.4. The value is usually between 2.4 to 2.9 of fine aggregates. So this is how we calculate it. And for water absorption, basically the saturated one is minused by the surface dried, and upon the saturated one gives you the whole into 100, gives you the amount of basically water absorption. Not much of water absorption is allowed because it defects in the strength and as well as in the basically casting also, casting of the concrete. So this is a very important test, and it is much similar, a bit much similar with the coarse one. So thank you everyone for watching.